In today's video, you will learn how to animate a dynamic morph text animation in After Effects in a few minutes. Also, I will share you how you can stylize the text design. By the way, you can download this project file from the link in the description below. Alright, let's start the video. Let's create a new composition. I am using full HD resolution at 24 frames per second. Now I select Text tool and write our text and then align it to the center. And then I duplicate this layer and rename this as different text. Now we have to align this to the center. And then I select the bottom text and scale down a bit so our overall design looks squarely. After that, I select that top layer, then right-click, go to Create, and then choose Create Shapes from Text. So now we got our new shape layer. Now repeat this process with another text layer. So we got two shape layers. Now we can hide our text layers. Alright, first I select bottom layer and place it above the first layer. Also, I change its color label to recognize this better. After that, I select both layers and then I search Path to reveal path properties of both layers. And then I'm adding keyframes for all the path properties. Then press U to see only the keyframe properties in our timeline. And then I select the first layer. Then I select the pen tool. So you can see we got path points visible on our screen. Now I select one of the path point and then hold Alt on the keyboard and select the upper path points of the text. And then I change its shape like this. Then I repeat this process with our bottom text. And now it's looking a perfect square design. So when we animate this text, so this way it will look more impressive. Alright, now I drag the time indicator around 12 frame. And then I select one of the bottom text path points and change it like this. Then I select the top layer and reveal its keyframe, and then I change this shape like this. So as you can see, this is a fundamental technique to animate this text. Then I place time indicator around 1 second, and then I copy the first set of keyframes and paste it here. Then once again, I change its text shape. Then I select bottom layer, and then I copy the first set of keyframes and paste it here. And one last time, I change its shape by using our pen tool. You can scrub the timeline to check the animation. And then I repeat this process one more time. And lastly, to make it loop, I copy the first set of keyframes and then paste it here in both layers. Now if I play the previews, you can see how it looks. But now it's have very rapid movements, so I select all the keyframes and change it to Bezier keyframe to smooth out the movements. Now it's looking very smooth. Alright, let's add randomness in this animation. So first I expand that timeline so we can see all the keyframes. And then I select top layer keyframes and arrange them to this pattern. I repeat this process with the bottom layer keyframes, but make sure you align perfectly with upper keyframe. Let's see the short preview. Nice. Now let's move forward and see how to stylize this text. So first I add a new adjustment layer. And then I search a noise effect and add it to this layer. Then I change noise amount to 15. Also, I uncheck Use Color Noise. And then I search Roughen Edges effect and add it to this layer. So we got a rough edges of this text. Let's change the border to 10. And then I change scale to 60. Also, to add life to this effect, we play with the evolution. So I hold Alt on the keyboard and click on the stopwatch, then I write a simple expression, time times 100, And now it's looking perfect. So that's how you can create a dynamic morph text animation in After Effects. If you are new to this channel, I would like to inform you that you can join me on my Patreon to get lots of free After Effects project files for practice, and also you can download our premium After Effects templates from my website. All assets link in the description below.